Good morning, student. Today we will solve the examples on the series parallel circuit. So the circuit is given. So here we have to find the total resistance A and B. Okay. So here we'll just we can see here this resistance, and this. If you arrange, we can say this is a delta fashion. Okay, so this delta fashion, if you arrange this like this, suppose this is A terminal, and between A and C there is a 10 ohm, and between B and C there is also 10 ohm, and between D and A it is 10 ohm. Okay, so and between this is D, between D and A it is 10 ohm. So between D there is also 10 ohm resistors to the B terminal, and from this B it is the 10 ohm resistors connected to the C. Okay, such arrangements are there. So what we'll do, we'll just convert this delta into this star. So if you convert this delta into the star, this will be removed. Okay, this will be removed. So what will happen? These two will be in series, these two will be in series. Okay. Now we'll find this resistance. Suppose this is R1, R2, and this R3. How you can find this R1? R1 is nothing but 10 into 10 divided by 10 plus 10 plus 10, 100 by 30. So it is coming 3.3.33 ohm. So all this resistance will be same. R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3. Okay. So what will happen? This will get now disconnected. Okay. This will also now get disconnected, and this will now get disconnected because we have converted this delta into the star. Okay, this is, we have converted delta into the star, and what value we have got here? All these values, they are same. This is also 3.333 ohm. Now these two are in parallel, sorry, these two are in series, these two are also in series. Okay, so we'll give this name to this. Suppose this, between this and this, these two are in parallel series. So what will be this? This is a 13.333 ohm, and this is also 13.333 ohm. Now we can rewrite this circuit. So your circuit will become now, this is, how much is this? This is 3.33 ohm, and now this is 13.333 ohm. This is also 13.333 ohm. Now these two are in parallel. Okay. So when these two are in parallel, we have to find the equivalent resistance of this 13.333 into the 13.333 divided by 13.333 plus 13.333, and this is coming equal to 6.665. Okay, so the total resistance will be, this is a 3.333 ohm, and this is the 6.666 ohm. So as these two are in series, now we can find this equivalent resistance. A and B. So this is coming equal to 8.999 ohm, which is approximately equal to 1 ohm. So the resistance between A and B is equal to, sorry, this is a 10 ohm, not 1 ohm. This is a 10 ohm. 9.999 ohm means approximately equal to 10 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance for the given circuit. Thank you very much for watching this video.